Hi, I'm John Griesbach with Diamond H2O. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your free basic test kit. What you would have received in the mail will be a box. Inside you'll have a bottle with 10 of these basic test strips. They should all be dry and should appear yellow in color. What you're going to want to do first off is just take one strip and take a sample of your water. Ideally, you're going to grab a raw water sample to get an idea of where your baseline starts. So take your raw water sample, dip your test strip into the water, hold for about 3 seconds, pull the strip out, and on your bottle you're going to have the same color scale. And what you're going to want to do is take your strip and match it as close as possible to the color scale. Keep in mind, this is a basic test and the color scale is plus or minus 3 grains, but it will give us a good idea as to where you are starting. Once you know your raw water, go ahead and take a sample out of your soft water side. If you have a twin tank system, also determine which tank is online. Tank A or tank B. If they're not labeled, label them. That way when you are making your notes, you know which one the samples came from. That way if there is any variance, you can go back to the one that's maybe potentially giving you trouble. So I'm going to just take the samples in front of me here and give you a slight example of the way that the color does change on these strips. First one here is a known sample of deionized water, which ultimately has no hardness. And that shows here in a nice bright yellow color. Next sample I have here is 1.5 grains of hardness. And as you will see, it's still rather light, but it's starting to change some color. It's not 0, it's not quite 2.3 is what the scale says. Therefore, we know we have some hardness. When it comes to hardness, 0 is soft in grains per gallon. 1 is considered hard. Now, the severity goes up as your number goes up. But even with 1 grain of hardness, that is enough to cause problems in some applications, especially in commercial applications where you're using chemicals and soaps, or where it's pre-treatment for other items like RO systems. Alright, this next one turns pretty red. Bring it over along the front, falls right about 15. This sample actually, label says it's 16. So again, you're not going to be able to pinpoint the exact grains, but it's going to get you very, very close. Close enough to maybe be able to set your equipment a little more accurately, to be able to determine if there is or isn't a problem. This 4th sample here. Again, I'll hold the color scale up. Go to the side. Falls closer to 9 than 15. Sample was 11. So again, the reason I'm showing you this is just to show you the strips are rather accurate. Biggest thing is you need to be a little bit quick in your testing, holding it in for 3 seconds, pulling it out, not jostling it around, not shaking it, just allow it to soak, get it to your color scale, and get right to the point. This one falls in about the 5 range. So, with that said, you should be able to get a pretty accurate idea of what your water is, either on the raw side or on the treated side. If you need further testing materials, if you need more accurate testing, maybe parts per million kits that go below 1 grain, or kits that are going to give you your exact down to the 1 grain per gallon accuracy, or even kits that maybe have more tests in them, please feel free to contact Diamond H2O and we can help you out with that. More importantly, if you have trouble interpreting your results, say you have tank A is giving you hard water and tank B is giving you soft, feel free to give us a call so we can help you troubleshoot and diagnose what is going on with your existing system. Our contact is 920-757-5440 via phone, or you can always email us at info@diamondh2o.com. Again, it's info@diamondh2o.com. Thank you.